Governor saying restrictions like lockdowns and shutdowns definitely will not happen under her watch as she sees it now, even as she's dealing with a possible outbreak within her own executive chamber. Dr. Mary Bassett, the acting health commissioner, tested positive as part of routine testing to meet with the governor. They do rapids with most anyone meeting with Governor Hochul, and she says that still does not change where she thinks this is going to go. Vaccination is the key. She says comparisons to the beginning of the pandemic or even last winter surge, not accurate.
We really, truly don't anticipate to see any shutdowns.
We should avoid lockdowns. We should avoid shutdowns. We should avoid restrictions.
Both the governor and the mayor stressed that despite New York seeing a record number of COVID cases each day, there would be a limit to the actions they will take. Each cited vaccines and the Omicron variant possibly being more mild as reasons hospitals may not see the same surge we saw last winter or at the beginning of the pandemic. We asked if de Blasio was hesitant to do more because he is about to leave office.
It's not about final days in office. It's not about what leaders are willing to do. It's about what's the right thing to do and what's the right strategy to both save lives and also protect livelihoods.
Democratic political strategist Basil Smikle says both Hochul and de Blasio, who may be running against each other next year for governor, are walking a fine line with voters, especially those who are vaccinated and want to return to business as usual.
A lot of elected officials are reluctant to go to full lockdown because they know what that means for the economy. They know what that means for tourism.
Meanwhile, Mayor-elect Adams told New Yorkers looking for more clarity on COVID rules he plans to roll out a sort of color-coded system for managing surges.
COVID is here. We have to really understand that COVID is part of our new norm, and we can't close down the city every time a new variant comes up.
But modifications may be made. Adams acknowledged today that he might have to cancel or heavily modify his inaugural ceremony scheduled for the beautiful King's Theater in Brooklyn. He joked that no matter what, he would still be mayor on January 1st. Live from the governor's Midtown office, Henry Rossoff, Pix 11 News.